You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me
Ingatan po
wind
yung
and
mga hintay,
rain.
ano late lang pala.
You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, you're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Are you sure about that? You would Sassy again. This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win. So what race do you have in mind? I want the ring race. What is the ring race? The first bird will drop 3 links into the bowl the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race. So the ring race it shall be. Remember that boys already have one point? So girls, let's do another race that same time. So between the 7 and the 7, on we go. Let's go. Here's one race. Hey, you guys, no,